Hey everyone, it's Ethan Grossman, and I am here to do my first video on YouTube. And in this video, I will be solving a Rubik's Cube. So, yeah, just sit tight. Okay, watch. It's all mixed up, and I will begin solving it. I will first begin by solving the green side. Note to all you watchers, I am not showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube, I am just solving it for my own pleasure. Because I actually enjoy doing this. Don't ask why. Because I'm not going to answer. That sounded kind of rude. I'm sorry. Should I stop the commentary? Yeah, I think I will. Now I'm going to solve the second layer, which is this side, in the middle. Now I'm going to solve the final side. And there you have it. I have just solved the Rubik's Cube. Alright, sure, it took like 5 minutes, but, you know,